Hey everybody, what's going on? Your girl Babsy in the building. Not gonna stick up here too quickly today. Come to do a defense topic because I hear some shit the other day on Facebook and I'm seeing some replies and it really pissing me off because everybody full of shit. And you know me, the governor, does just dispel the rumors quickly. But before I get into the topic, you know that my iPhone and my Android app launched today. So go and grab that shiznit. Type in Babsy, Babbzy, and you will find my app. And I actually got one on BlackBerry too for those of you who still have Blackberries. Now, the other day I was watching this video and this white woman come on. She's like, I just go to Jamaica, and then what has happened is that 90% of the Jamaicans beg me, and they beg my shoes, and they beg my blah blah blah. Bunch of asshole. First thing first, she does work for statistics fucking Jamaica. How the fuck she know 100% of the Jamaicans and not 90% of them just beg? She's a cunt or what? Now, I am not Jamaican. I am actually Bajan descent, but I don't like when people tell lies on my West Indian people, so I come in to defend the thing. But wanna deserve this sort of thing, because if wanna didn't fuck around these ignorant cunts when they come down to one island, because it's not just Jamaica, it happens everywhere. Let me tell you what going on. You see the people like she and them, a set of them there, so what them just do is them just left which part them live because they can't get no fucking man, them just dry hump them raw. So bed at night, come down to the Caribbean, got on them tongue G-string when them boxy look like rotten fucking breadfruit sour sop, and then you just be telling them that they look good because they white, and then now they come and they fucking you, and then God bless, they going back home and talking about they got some sexy man in Jamaica or Trinidad or wherever the fuck it is. Now I want to tell you all dry up pussy women, when you go down in the Caribbean and want to fuck these young boys, you better send them some Russell Jordans, because I don't know how the fuck you think you can get penis, wood, hood, body, doggy, and not give nothing in return. So the people begging you, Miss Ting, because you begging them, don't left out that fucking part, because I don't know what you going down in Jamaica for 19 years back to back for. It cannot be the fucking lobster at El Beach you're running down. You understand? People like me that decipher can't talk. You fuck off, take down that Russell video because you's an ignorant bitch. People don't beg you. Don't laugh out when you begging them. You understand? Now, the defense videos that everybody's coming and doing, they're like, oh, well, when you guys come to the Caribbean, you want to come and stay by us and this and that. We is fucking family. Everybody that come at you, you go at them. If you got their back, they got yours. The problem why they don't give you nothing is because they have nothing to fucking give Russell you. A lot of them are down there pampa setting. The problem with all of us is that we too fucking liared. We just left which part we live and go and play superhero wherever the fuck we going. So now we down in Jamaica on tax return money and welfare money, or in Trinidad or in Vincy or in Barbados, and you think we living in Russell Hollywood when we sleeping on somebody's fucking floor. Furthermore, the little two job that we do get is when we go and flip the burger at McDonald's when they call we on fucking standby. So this is the problem. They cannot send you no barrels. They cannot send you nothing because they have nothing to give them fucking self. So if everybody would stop the Russell Pampa setting, we would all live happily ever after. So people, when you go down begging for pussy and dick in the Caribbean, give the people some fucking Jordans and some red bottom shoes and you gonna be good. If you have a problem with that, go and try and get Hugh Hefner or one of them people. Notice them ain't studying wanna. Y'all gotta stop this fucking lying thing, you know. You lie to Russ so much, man. Don't piss me off about here because I will come looking for you. You understand? And I wear size 11 shoe, I'll kick you in your Russell back. You understand? Ebola kick, I gone.